Hello everybody, I'm Derek Shaw. I'm the local sales consultant with Influence Hair Care. I just want to show you all what I do at home with my bald and beard kit to keep my grooming up while I'm at home. I've just gotten my hair cut, as you can see, like I said, bald and beard. So I have a clean cut with my beard lined up. So after I've cut my hair, I just take our rosemary stimulating spray with lemongrass. So what this rosemary spray with lemongrass is good for one, it stimulates, it soothes the scalp after you cut it with clippers. Like say for someone with sensitive skin, keeps them from experiencing irritation and even bumping up on their scalp. All right, so you can just spray it on your towel and just apply it to your scalp. Don't have to oversaturate. You're also gonna apply it to your face where you lined up your beard. Also, what I do for my scalp, we have an organic complex, which is a lightweight hair and scalp lubricant. So this, you just take a small amount on your finger. Like I said, maybe like a pea to a dime size. I guess depending on the size of your head. But small amount goes on light. And this just prevents any dryness on your scalp and also gives you a nice sheen as well. It got different natural ingredients in it just to promote hair growth if that's what you're going for too. All right, and then after the organic complex for the scalp, the last thing I do for my grooming is I just apply our natural growth cream. Our natural growth cream, which is a lightweight moisturizing cream, which promotes hair growth also. So I would say about a nickel to a quarter size of this. You can also shampoo your beard, something I didn't do today, but you can use this after you've shampooed your beard. You can just finish your grooming with this growth cream. Just emulsify it in your hands like this and just distribute it throughout your beard. So like I said, it's gonna promote hair growth and provide moisture for your beard as well. And also gives you a nice sheen too. That concludes my bald and beard kit and how I use it at home.